Hi, this is Vanessa. Today's tutorial is on the Knit Little Leaves stitch. So let's start with casting on. You need multiples of 5 stitches plus 2. So I'm using the long tail cast on method. You can use any method you'd like. You want to start with a slip knot and insert your needle. So I'm going to cast on 17. That's in multiples of 5 plus the 2. Alright, let's start row 1, which is your right side. Knit all of your stitches. Okay, row 2, you want to purl all your stitches. For rows 3 and 4, you just want to repeat the last 2 rows. So for 3, you want to knit all of your stitches. Okay, so now row 4, you want to purl all your stitches. Okay, row 5 is where the fun begins. Let's start the little leaves stitch. For the first 3 stitches, you want to knit the 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so here is the written instructions for the leaf stitch portion. You can pause if you'd like to take a look. Otherwise, I will go ahead and show you how to work the leaf stitch. So from the 3rd stitch, 1, 2, 3 on your left hand needle, you want to count 4 rows down. So that's 3, and here's the 4th one. Insert your right hand needle and wrap your yarn around the needle to draw up a loop. Okay, so you want to pull on it a little bit so that it's longer. Okay, so now you want to place this loop on your left hand needle. Okay, just like that. Now you want to yarn over or yarn forward, so wrap your yarn around your right hand needle, and then you're going to insert your needle back into the same stitch from 4 rows below. Pull up another loop. Okay, and you also want to place this loop onto your left hand needle. So you want to repeat that again. Yarn over, insert your right hand needle into the stitch from 4 rows below, so the same stitch. So you want to pull your last loop up and place it on your left hand needle. Okay, and this time we're not going to work the yarn over stitch. We're going to knit the 4 stitches, 3, 4. So these 4 stitches, we're going to knit through the back loops. So insert your needle into the back and then knit these 4 stitches together and slide all 4 stitches off your left hand needle. Okay, so the last step is to grab the 2 yarn over stitches and pass those 2 stitches over the stitch you just knitted, and then drop it. Okay, that completes the little leaf stitch. And now you want to knit 4. Okay, so let's repeat the leaf stitch. Count 3 stitches over, count down 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your needle, pull up a long loop. Okay, pull it out a little bit, place it on your left hand needle, and then yarn over. So repeat this step 2 more times, but leaving out the last yarn over stitch. Okay, so now we want to knit 4 stitches through the back loops. So these 4 stitches here, insert your needle and knit through the back of all 4 stitches. Okay, now you can slide the 4 stitches off, and now grab the 2 yarn over stitches and pass it over the just knitted stitch. So repeat those steps all the way to the end until you have 3 stitches remaining. Okay, so end with knit 3. For row 6, you purl all stitches. Repeat rows 1 through 6 until you're happy with your size. This stitch is used in my latest beanie pattern. It comes in fitted or slouchy. Please visit my website for more information. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.